Welcome to prime time, bitch! Woo! What's up? Today's another unboxing video. I'm very excited about this one because I freaking love Freddy Krueger. He's one of my favorite horror classics, and Nightmare on Elm Street, one of my favorite horror movies. So I was like kind of hesitant because like I wanted to unbox this, but like at the same time I don't, because just the boxing on this looks so awesome. Like I don't want to open this. No, why would I? Like you open this, but like I do want to play with it, so I'm definitely gonna open this up. Yeah. Anything else inside? Nope. But there's a cool picture of Freddy. Like, that's actually very cool. Like I love these new figures they have coming out. So, ooh, we got Freddy's head. It's like, we got a bunch of different heads. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna show in a second, but like, you got this little face thing going on here. Then you have two faces actually with the action figure. You have one Freddy head that smiles. Like a different one. You have like a little heady head that smiles. I will show everything in greater detail, but first I'm gonna open this. Ooh, and then you have the phone. Here, as you can see, you have the phone. You know where she calls, and then Freddy's like, ah. A little freak like he always is. Oh, this is cool. You also got the hand. The little hand where green stuff comes out. It's really awesome. And now to the main event. Oh wait, you gotta open this here. Okay. How am I supposed to get the claws out? Okay. Like, how the hell? Like, this is stuck. It's like, I don't want to break the claws. It's the best part. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna cut this open because I do not want to break this. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, this is awesome. Ooh, I love this. Oh, I gotta get the other ones now. Like Freddy, Chucky. I mean, look at this. This looks fucking awesome. I mean, you have the claws. Wait, put it here in the light. You have the claws. Can you bend the arm? Yeah. Like showing like just him just going wait. Gotta put on his hat. Ah, now we're talking. Ah, like I said, I love Freddy Krueger. Robert Englund, who plays Freddy's one of my favorite horror. Freddy Krueger is my favorite horror character. Like from all of the classics, and I just love everything about it. So you can exchange heads if I remember correctly. It's very easy removable, so that's actually very good. See, let's take now the other head where he smiles more. Well, you can put them on. So that's actually good. Like you can take the face on and off very easily. So you can see a Freddy with a little grin on his face, and it's just that. I must say they did this a little too hard. Like I wish they would do this a little loosey so you can move them a bit faster. But like just like standing out in a curve is having Just having like scratch, like it's like I'm just happy. Oh, I love this. I'm so dumb why I didn't unbox it sooner. I do think I'm gonna keep the smiling Freddy because the smiling Freddy just looks more terrifying. And then of course we have the hand. Let me remove this. Oh. So like I said before, where he cuts his hand open and then says, "This is God." This is awesome. This is hype. I'm so happy about this. Everything like, and this, does he just put it on the? Oh, I don't actually know about this. Oh no, this for this. Oh, okay. Yes or no? Or yeah, I think it should be for this one, right? Or maybe for this one. Yeah, it's for this head, the one he doesn't smile, where he has on all the face. But this is freaking awesome, and I love everything about it. Like, I love Freddy Krueger, and I'm extremely happy about this. I got this. I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout for the other one, Jason, Chucky. Oh yeah, Chucky. Maybe to do another one with the new movie it's coming out. But yeah, man. Thanks everybody for watching. As always, see you next time. Oh no, see you in your nightmare.